Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Claude AI in Google Sheets. So first go to the Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Claude for Sheets. Install it and grant the permissions. Next, you need an API key. So head over to the Anthropic console and create a new key. Copy it and paste it into the add-on settings inside your sheet. Now, for the fun part, let's say you have a list of countries and want a quick description for each. We use this function equals Claude, and you're gonna put your prompt here. For example, in this case, we are going to text in one short sentence. Tell me the most popular thing to do in so. Drag it down and Claude processes every row instantly. You can also add advanced functions like Claude Extract or choose specific models like Claude 3.5 Sonnet for better accuracy. The best part? You're using your own API crates, which is much cheaper than most paid subscriptions for bulk data. And that's it.